Did this happen to you during the fight? If someone grab you from the behind like this, then what should you do here? In this situation, we will teach you today the best technique that you can learn, and you never seen this technique before. You also have to practice this technique and tell us whether this technique is being applied by you or not. So let's start. If someone grab you from behind tightly and also grab your both arms, in this fight you have to use your wits and deceive him. You will play trick on him in such a way that you will make him look as if you are trying to free yourself by pushing yourself upwards. When he feels that you are pushing upwards, at the same time you have to push both your arms down forcefully, and you can see his grip will be loose. Now here you will be twist your body like this. These two tech tricks you will do at the same time like this, as you can see in the video. Yeah. Now here quickly you will grab his leg and pull hard. Now he will fall down. And here you can also lock his leg like this. If I push hard here, his leg might break. Guys, now I'll show you this technique from the side angle.
Step 1, push, 2, down, then leg and down, and the foot lock.
Guys, now I'll show you this technique in fast, in real, it works or not. Guys, this technique was very different technique from the other techniques. If you are doing this technique and face any hurdle, then must tell us in comment box. And if you want to learn more techniques, then subscribe our channel, share video and press the bell icon. Thank you.